Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change language in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. Then here click on Options. Click on this language option. You can select any language. Or click on Add a language. Here is the list of language. Select it, then click on Install. Click on OK. Once new language downloading will complete, close and you will see reopen your Office programs. So just you have to wait for a few minutes till this downloading process is complete. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel. If you have any query or question, so please comment. I will reply it.